Hello and welcome to Lesson 1 of the beginner course of Gaeilge Inniu. To get started, here are a few basic phrases for greeting someone in Irish.
Dia Duit.
Dia is Muire Duit.
Conas atá tú.
Tá mé go maith, Conas atá tú féin.
Go hiontach, raibh agat.
Now let's go through those greetings again. This time we'll read each line, pause for you to try it yourself, and then repeat it to see if you've got it right.
Dia Duit. Dia Duit.
Dia is Muire Duit. Dia is Muire Duit.
Conas atá tú. Conas atá tú.
Tá mé go maith, Conas atá tú féin. Tá mé go maith, Conas atá tú féin.
Go hiontach, raibh agat. Go hiontach, raibh agat.
Hope you got a few of those right. Don't worry if you didn't get them all first time. It'll take time to get the sounds right and to get used to the language.
A few things you might have picked up on there. Firstly, the sound that the letter D makes. You'll notice it made different sounds depending on the different words it was in there. We'll go into that in more detail later, but for now, just to pick up on what we got there. In hello, Dia Duit, you heard the two different sounds of the D's. Firstly, on Gia, listen to it again, Gia. It's like a J in English. The Duit then is something like a hard G in English, like in the word girl, Duit, but it's slightly more guttural in Irish. It's a sound we don't have in English. As I say, we'll learn more about that later, but just try and pick up on some of the pronunciations as we go along.
Hello in Irish is Dia Duit, which literally means God to you or God be with you, and it was originally a blessing when one person met another. Something like God be with you or God bless you in English. Now, however, it just means hello. When responding to Dia Duit, you must change it slightly. You'll notice earlier the first person said Dia Duit, but the second person said Dia is Muire Duit. This literally means God and Mary to you. So you're offering the first person one up, if you like, in a way. And this can continue with more names. For example, Dia is Muire is Pádraig, St. Patrick Duit. But for now, we'll just stick to the basics. Dia Duit and Dia is Muire Duit.
Well done on completing Lesson 1 of Gaeilge Inniu, the beginner course.